Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's drawing tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw a simple but spooky skull step by step. So grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. First we'll start with the main shape of the skull. Begin near the upper left side and draw a large smooth curved lines going over the top. Continue the curve down toward the opposite side. Now let's work on both sides of the skull. Add a small curved section on the left side and repeat a similar shape on the right. Now we are going to extend the skull downward. From both sides, draw curved lines leading toward the lower portion of the head. Then connect them with a rounded jaw shape. Now it's time to give our skull some character. Inside the face, draw two large eye sockets. Make the shapes roughly oval but slightly irregular to give them a skull-like appearance. Once the eye sockets are outlined, fill them in completely. Next we'll add the skull nose cavity. Place it between the two eyes, slightly below them. Draw a small dark pointed shape with curved edges. Then fill the nose area in. Moving down to the jaw, we'll create the mouth area. Draw a curved horizontal line across the upper part of the jaw. Then begin adding the individual teeth. Try to keep the teeth close together and roughly similar in size. Let's add a few cracks across the skull. Draw small irregular lines on the forehead and around the sides of the skull. Now strengthen the important outlines around the head, eyes, nose and jaw area. And there we have it, our simple spooky skull drawing is complete. I hope you enjoyed following along with this skull drawing tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more easy drawing tutorials.